These are some beautiful Bricks Builder templates. I am going to convert some of them into Elementor. I will choose this one and then open it. Here is the Bricks Builder template I'm going to clone to Elementor. To do that, I will simply click the Clone2Elementor extension. Now I can convert the entire page at once by selecting Capture All Content within the page. But to make a very good clone, I would click Select Specific Elements. This way I can copy or clone section by section. Now I will click to capture this particular section, the Hero section. And as you can see, Clone2Elementor says the site has been copied. Now I will head over to my Elementor editor. I will right-click here, then click Paste from Other Site, and then press Ctrl-V. I am on Windows, so I will press Ctrl-V. If you are on a Mac, then it is Command-V. Now the Bricks Builder template is live inside our Elementor editor, and you can see that we now have an exact clone of the original Bricks Builder website. Let's preview the changes. Okay, so this is our clone inside Elementor, and this here is the original website. I have gone ahead and added more sections. So this right here is the Bricks Builder webpage, which is now cloned inside Elementor. And this is the original Bricks Builder site. This is the Clone2Elementor Google Chrome extension. It lets you convert or clone any website on the internet into a fully editable Elementor website. The Clone2Elementor extension was developed by Copyblocks, and they also have another extension called Clone2WordPress. The Clone2WordPress extension allows you to clone any website on the internet into editable Gutenberg templates. So this is the Clone2WordPress extension, and it works similarly to the Clone2Elementor extension, except that it uses the Gutenberg editor instead of Elementor. Check the description of this video for the download links to the Clone2Elementor and Clone2WordPress extensions. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with people you believe might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful videos like this.